Welcome to this video, where I will show you step by step how to easily make a wooden spoon. For the best results, choose a piece of dry hardwood. Some of the most beautiful spoons come from fruit woods with natural color variation. To start shaping the spoon, I trace the side profile on the wood using a simple template and cut off from a previous spoon I made. Next, I take the blank to the bandsaw and cut along the traced outline. This step removes the excess material and gives the spoon its rough shape, making it much easier to refine later on. Once the top surface is prepared, I trace the spoon's outline from above using a cardboard template. This keeps the proportions consistent and makes the layout quick and repeatable. On the inside of the bowl, I draw an additional inner line that marks how far the hollowing will go. Using a bent gouge, I start hollowing out the bowl of the spoon. Because the wood is dense and fully dried, carving is noticeably slower than working with green wood. A hook knife is another great option for this step. It's purpose-built for carving deep, rounded hollows, making it ideal for shaping the bowl of a spoon. With the bowl fully shaped, I smooth the surface using a metal scraper to remove fine tool marks and leave the hollow clean and even. If you don't have a scraper, you can easily make one yourself. Simple shapes and templates for these tools are widely available online. Next, I move to the bandsaw to rough cut the outer shape. This removes the bulk material and defines the spoon's profile. After the bowl, I cut out the handle to give the spoon its full outer shape. Instead of a carving knife, I use a cordless grinder to shape the outside. It strips away material quickly, making it easy to form smooth, flowing curves. For the final touch, I hand sand the spoon with a sanding sponge, refining the surface and softening the edges. All that's left is applying the final finish made from a blend of beeswax and oil. This homemade mixture gives the spoon a warm, natural sheen and protects the wood beautifully. Here's the completed spoon shaped by hand from start to finish and ready for everyday use. Let me know what you think in the comments below.